everyone, this is Cindy, Crane of the Heart, and I am back with a really quick card share that I wanted to share with you guys today. So I'm combining two different companies. Today I'm combining my Taylor Expressions Donut Days, I think it is, with the newer Greeting Farm stamp set that's called Donut Worry. And Donut Worry is adorable. It's got our cute little Anya with a cute little, I think it's a kitty cat, little donuts on their heads and stuff, and it's adorable. So I am using this one. I also combined another stamp set. The Stamp Market has a donut one, and I used that sentiment for this card. So here it is. So what I did was I just made a background paper using the donut stamp set. So I used this donut stamp set and dropped and have now lost the center to my stamp. Don't know where it is. So it's not the end of the world because I can color that piece in. I hope it turns up, but I don't know. It just dropped it and it's disappeared. So it sucks. Then of course, I have my images that I stamped using the donut stamp set from Greeting Farm and colored them in with my Copics. And then on all the frosting, I use glossy accents. So I don't know if you could tell, but it's got this glossy look, kind of give that like glossy shine that you see in the glaze of a donut. And so in person, it looks really cool. It's like shiny and everything. And then I just white embossed the Thanks a Whole Bunch, the sentiment there. And just a simple card, thanks a whole bunch. And then you can just write your thank you on the inside. And I just love being able to combine, you know, my donut stuff because I knew I had a donut. At first, I thought I was going to use pattern paper, and I just couldn't find the right thing, so I just kind of made my own. Anyway, that's my quick project for the day. Thank you for checking me out. This is Cindy with Crane with the Heart.